Welcome to the workbench. This is an idea that I'm currently developing, and it's an idea that I'm finding really interesting. This is my pirate radio rig. It has two functions. The first is it's going to stream broadcasts online, hence why we've got a docking station for a mobile phone. And the second, it's going to house in here an FM transmitter. Now my FM transmitter is currently in another project, so I've got to transplant that out and put it in. But the idea is then to take this to various locations and start broadcasting. This project was inspired by an old pop-up pirate radio project that I found online, and you can visit the website, even view the little video of them taking over an old telephone box and broadcasting music and interviews from there. Really cool. So this is what I've done so far. Here we go. So this is where the project is so far. The plan is to eventually get a little light in there to light up the on-air as well and get the transmitter in, obviously. But I like the idea of taking over a telephone box or two, because telephone boxes aren't really used as much as they used to be, and so it'd be nice to repurpose them temporarily and have a fun little go at broadcasting from an old telephone box. The app that I'm using, or the service I'm using to stream online, is something called Anchor, and there's various easy to follow tutorials online if you're wanting to give it a go. But the next step, apart from the transmitter, is to start building a website that I can stream the broadcast to, and that's my next job. But anyway, thanks for tuning in, folks, and I'll keep you updated. Take care. Bye-bye.